Hello, my name is Kaylee Schneck, and I'm here to complete Module 3 for Class EDL 954, looking at federal and state budgets. My school district is USD 407, which is Russell County. I wanted to just give a little pre-look at the size of my district as compared to other classmates that have bigger districts. I know I'm on the smaller end. So we are located between Saline and Hayes, right off the I-70 interstate. We have a pre-K through 12th grade school system. We have 4 different schools. Simpson Elementary houses our pre-K through 1st grade. Bickerdike is 2nd through 5th. Rupenthal is 6th through 8th grade, and then Russell is 9th through 12th. We encompass 489 square miles, and we maintain 5 different bus routes. So looking at the financial information, I'll be completely honest, I don't know exactly what all of this means, but when I was going through the KSD website, these were the numbers, and so this is what I'm putting. We have all of this is from the 2021-2022 school year. There are a couple things that I had to find that I made either from the 2022-2023 school year, just because I didn't have that documentation, and so I just took what I could get. So the assessed valuation is $66,514,819. Total cash balance is $3,487,931. General state aid is $7,028,411. Total expenditures is $13,428,983. Outstanding school bonds is sadly a fat zero, and then transportation is $282,185. When looking at some of my peers' information and what they came up with within their district, a lot of them had outstanding school bonds. Sadly, we have not had any school bonds for several years. We tried a couple years ago, and it just was a complete flop. So just something to be aware of. Looking at student information, so if we do our head count enrollment, we K through 12 had 812 students. We did have 13 early childhood pre-K students. We just started our pre-K program. This is in its third year. This is its third year. We started the year of COVID. Yes. Yeah, we started the year of COVID. I had to think about that. And we were only taking full day, so we don't do any half day. That's why the number isn't so big. So we actually only have one preschool program within our district, which is huge because we know that early childhood is the foundational years. And so that's why we have put a lot of emphasis within the last couple of years trying to get that formulated and started. Our kindergarten format, we do have full day at 68 students, and then we have a half day or every other day at 5. So that gives us our grand total of 73 students. Along with our kindergarten, if you were to look at this 2022-2023 school year, it would look a little different, as we also would have a transitional kindergarten numbers, so it would add a whole other class size in that. We only have one class, and I believe they have up to 20 students. But again, like I said, we know that kindergarten readiness and early childhood services are what's needed in our district, and so we are doing the best we can to combat the lack of. Free and reduced enrollment, I could not actually find all the information on this. So what I did is I took our head count of the 812 students plus the 13 students, and then I took the percentage of what it said from the 2022-2023 school year, and then this is how I came up with our information. So 351 are free, and then 231 are reduced. Now during the COVID year, all of them were free. We sadly had to go away with that because we didn't have the funds. So meal pricing, and then of course the meal pricing is breakfast is $2.25 and lunch is $2.85. And that's for this school year. I didn't know what it was for last year. And I had to ask our lunch ladies because I don't eat lunch and I don't have a kid in the system currently. I do not know if that pricing is for district-wide though either. I know that it's specifically for elementary. So looking at our mill rates, so mill rates, general funds was at 20.00, supplemental general funds was at 19.775, capital outlay was at 7.981, and the bond and interest again was at big fat 0.0. Personnel information, again, this is from the 2021-2022 school year. So certified staff, we had 103.5 people, non-certified was 58 people. Salaries average for a superintendent was 128,925. Salaries average for a principal was 85,257, and salaries average for a teacher was 59,993. With the teacher salary, I did include benefits and supplementals. So it makes us look like we have a little more money, but in all actuality, the surrounding districts pay more than what we do, which is sad. We have tried really hard with our bargaining within our I'm trying to think of what it is with NEA and things like that, to increase it. Again, it comes back to your budget. So you can only pay what you have. You can't pay negative monies. Money, holy cow. It's been a long day. We've been outside all day, and soaking up the sun. It's been great. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll try to get you the answer. I'm just being completely honest. I don't know what all of these different categories mean. I'm look forward to learning it along with it looks like other people within my class that are in the same boat. But if you have any information or want to contact me, there's my email. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.